Hi, I'm Brad from MAJIK Media, and welcome to Going Mighty, the ultimate guide for building and growing your Mighty network. As you'll soon see, creating a vibrant Mighty network is like hosting an exciting party for all of your friends and community members. You want your guests to feel connected, to have a good time, and to share how great it was with all of their friends for years to come. So when our team at MAJIK Media sat down to design this course for Mighty Networks, we decided to bring this metaphor to life, and we threw the party of the century while taking you through all of the stages of building and growing your Mighty network. The lessons in this course are meant to be short, fun, and to the point, while leaving the deep dive exercises inside of your party planner, aka your workbook. We cover everything from engagement strategies to branding and design to setting up courses and groups, landing and sales pages, charging money, onboarding newcomers, automating with Zapier, and much, much more. If you follow along and do the exercises provided, then you'll be well on your way to building the kind of Mighty network that nobody wants to leave. We even provide a cocktail lounge, aka our community forum inside of our Mighty network, for you to share your progress, insights, ask questions, and learn from the other party hosts going through the course. Here at MAJIK Media, we're fully committed to your success, which is why we made this course for free for everyone. And if you want extra help building your highly engaging courses and community, then sign up for a free Art of Binge-Worthy Courses mini course when you're ready. So welcome to MAJIK Media and the Going Mighty course. Head over to your first lesson and let's get this party started.